Hey my friend, what's going on? How you doing? In this video, I'm going to show you how I'm using AI to rebuild my business from scratch. So yesterday I shared with you one of my hardest video I've ever made. I told you how I built a successful business online, made millions of dollars, and then I lost everything. I lost it all. I lost the business, lost the momentum. I lost my email list of over 200,000 people. I lost my confidence. For almost 2 years, I barely created any content. But today, I want to show you something different, something much more important than my failure. I want to show you exactly how I'm making sure that I never go back to being broke again. Because motivation didn't bring me back here. A system did. Today, I'm going to show you how I use AI and how I'm using it every single day to rebuild my business from scratch. This is not going to be theory. Not something that I bought from somebody else. This is the exact system that I'm using to rebuild my business publicly. This is my own doing. So one of the biggest lessons I learned from losing everything is this: success isn't about working harder. It's about making the right decision consistently every day. The first time I built my business, I had discipline. Over time, I became successful. But eventually I started relying on motivation and different types of system, because then when I started having people working for me now, I wake up and I check on my sales calls. I check on this person that's going to build my funnel. So I became lazy because I was getting results. I was just coaching. So when I lost everything, I had to build everything on my own now. I couldn't afford a CEO anymore. I couldn't afford a graphic designer. I couldn't afford a copywriter. So I had to start thinking, how can I use AI to help me get to the next level? So because someday I wake up, I would not know what to do because there's so much on the plate for me to do. The other day I spent like 6 hours just fixing my camera to get things working where I want it to be. So sometimes you stay busy, but you're not getting the results because busy doesn't bring results. I wanted to move the business forward after everything collapsed. I realized something. I didn't need motivation. What I needed was a daily plan, like a CEO that can help me, because I had a CEO that can help me move the business forward. Since I couldn't afford one, guess what? I built one using AI. This is how I used to do things before. Before I became successful, I would have my daily planner. If you look here, I would write down everything I need to do for the day. That's before AI. So this was what my life would look like. Every day I would wake up and I would write inside of my planner and say, this is what I'm going to be doing every day. Every morning I'll write down my tasks. I'll put something like post on Facebook, create a blog, like shot a video, send out an email, call a client so that I can close some deals. Then I'll say like host a webinar. Everything that was planned, it was planned by hand. I'll write down the stuff and I'll know exactly what I need to do. Those systems helped me build a successful business. But today, AI allowed me to take the same philosophy and make it 10 times better. Instead of writing everything manually, I built an AI CEO that tells me exactly what I need to focus on every day and how to do it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna jump into the computer and share with you exactly what it looks like. So here's what it looks like every day. I wake up. If you look on the first thing that I have here for the day, I have 3 things I need to get done for today. This is my dashboard I built for myself. And no, I didn't build this because I love productivity. I built it because I know myself. I know I will chase shiny object. I don't know if you have shiny object syndrome. There's so many things with AI. There's so many tools. I would want to learn all the tools. I would want to redesign things, making things. So I had to convince myself that I need this to work. When I'm really avoiding the work that makes me money, I know that's the pattern to really stay broke. So this dashboard really keep me honest into what I need to do for the day. So if you look at the execution tab, for example here, the first thing you'll notice is called execute. This is probably my favorite part. So every day, I only care about 3 things. 3 things: publish, make an offer, and follow up. That's it. These are the things that's gonna make me money, because my business don't grow if I just stay busy. Being busy does not grow the business. Your business grow when you publish content, when you present an offer, and you follow up with people. Everything else is just secondary things that you can do. If you don't establish these 3 things, you're not gonna move forward. So the next thing on there, I have my today's plan, the daily plan. So I can check myself. You can see on the daily plan here, it breaks down. In the morning, here's what I need to do. I do my mindset in the morning, workout, and I'm working on some YouTube stuff. So if you look Also, you can break down what is today's goal. What's your main goal for today? It'll give you a video topics. It'll give you a short form type of content that you need to create. One thing I used to struggle with is waking up asking myself, what are we working on today? Sometimes, some people, you get cut in that part, like making a decision into what you're gonna be doing for the day so your day is not wasted. So the AI CEO already know my priorities. Instead of wasting my mental energy deciding, I spend that energy executing. That's a huge difference for me. The second tab that I want to share with you here is that the video script tab. So if you see my schedule, I have the content machine tab. This tab is amazing. I love this tab because you can come here literally. You can say, you can write something here, what you want to focus on. Let's say you have some ideas, like let's say, oh, today I want to create content on how to use Claude to make 10K a month. All right. So literally, if you just brainstorming, you have some ideas, you put it in there, you can spin it, boom, it will give you the content for the day. Look at that, 5 videos title. I just learned about, I just learned this today. I want to create content on how to make 10K. It changes everything. Boom, this is something you can talk about in a video. You can have the hook. It even give you Facebook posts. Something hit me today, blah, 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 blah. It writes everything for you. And then boom, there you go. You have this thing already written down for you, which is totally crazy. I love this. The next step is I have here is a video script. I love the video script because I keep adding some stuff in there, but it's amazing because you can literally come here, put a title, and it will improve it. You can make it better. It will improve the title for you. You can even rewrite another title. So under there, every day I have a video is already prepared for me. It helps me create the script. It helps me organize my thoughts. You know, it gives me structure. Could I write the script myself? Absolutely. I've been creating content for over 15 years, but why waste an hour writing content when AI can help you organize everything in minutes? Now I can spend the energy teaching instead of staring at a blank page or what am I gonna do today? What am I gonna make my video about today? So in here, I could put my video title, I can spin it. I can even put another content and spin that content. If you have some ideas, you can do a brain dump where you dump what's going on in your head, and then boom, it will create content for you. It will create a video content, break it down, give you the short form content. So the next one that I have here is the video spy tool. I love this tool because I can go on YouTube, find any video into any niche, and I can spy on that video. It's pretty amazing. So I can go on YouTube here, find me another video on YouTube. Let's say I see this video that's doing pretty well, like this person here, how Claude run their business and whatever they have going on. I can literally copy the video link and then just click on analyze. This stuff will analyze the video for me. It will bring me the options, like literally pick out your niche, what's inside of the video. I can make it write a video version of it for me or use something else like on the video. This is pretty amazing. It will analyze exactly what's working and how it's gonna work for you, because you're gonna have your own structure in there, and then you can put your own story, you put your own spin on it. You know, the AI will help me recognize what's working and then now bring my own version of it, because you're using your own experience, you're using your own story. So it's not really you just using the person's, but your story matters. Like your story is different than my story. My own lesson, you know, are different than your own lesson. That's how creators that use AI, you're not really copying, but you learning faster because you find what's working, and then you can add your own spin onto it, because your story is what's gonna make you stand out. In the content machine, like I could just go ahead and put a YouTube video and say this is what the video is gonna be about, and it's gonna give me a YouTube short. It could give me a Facebook reel that I can post on Facebook. You can post that on Instagram also. You could do a Facebook post, and then the beautiful part, you can send it to your email if you have an email list. Sadly, I don't have an email list right now. I lost mine, but I'm building it again. So if you have an email list that has 1,000, 10,000 people, you can just send them out an email, and the AI already built all the stuff for you. All you just do is copy and paste. So if you think about how I can use Claude, boom, I can have a tool that's working for me on creativity, and I'm gonna be very creative throughout the day. The goal is not creating more work. The goal is to create value, for yourself. So that's why I also have in there a KPI tracker, because at the end of the day, I want to see how much money I make. Because at the end of the day, if you're not making money, if you're not in business to make money, well, you're not profiting. So you're gonna be tracking everything that's going on in the KPI. This is where I keep myself accountable. I'm gonna see how many views I get, how many subscribers, how many revenue, how many people join my community. I have a brand, a different brand that I'm building in a different niche, and we're getting people at $9 in the community. And that's why I have this $9 conversion offer here. So it'll track for me on a day-to-day basis how much people is coming in into this offer, and retracking, because whatever gets measured get improved. If you're not measuring stuff, you're not gonna be able to improve. So tracking is gonna make that happen for you. And then I have this tech timer. This might be a funnier feature that I have. I create something called tech timer because I have a bad habit of start fixing things if it's technical, and I don't want to stop until it's fixed. Like, it could be taking me 6 hours. Like yesterday, I wasted 6 hours, like really trying to get my camera to work, fixing everything. Now I said, hey, okay, I just want to spend the most for 1 hour on this stuff. If I'm doing something tech related and I time myself, it's taking me over an hour, I'm done. We'll get back to it. Like, you don't want to spend all your time troubleshooting. The system literally tells me, stop, go make money. Sometimes that's what we need. We need someone to save us from ourselves. So the biggest lessons from this, really, for me, is that AI didn't make me smarter, but AI made things a lot faster. AI didn't magically make me successful, but AI helped me build a business. What AI gave me, it gave me leverage. Okay, years ago, I would need a writer, I'd need a copywriter, I'd need a video editor, I'd need a designer. I have multiple virtual assistants. I needed a project manager if I'm working on a new tool or on a new system. But today, AI helped me put all that and have a team. Like, it doesn't replace me, but it helps me to put all that. It really multiply your effort. It's not gonna replace what you do, but it's gonna multiply your effort, and that's a huge difference. So why am I documenting this? Why am I documenting the journey? The reason I'm really sharing all of this with you is because I don't want to become another YouTube AI channel that just talk about AI. I want you to watch me actually build a business with it. You'll see my wins, you'll see my mistakes, you'll see the revenue, you will see the launches, you will see the failures, the improvements. I'm sharing the stuff that I'm using. I built this tool, like, it took me a whole weekend, but it's things that I needed in my mind. I said, okay, I need this, I need this, I need this. I know what I need. So then we tweak things around, boom. Tool is done in about a day, and all I have to do is just keep tweaking things. So I'm documenting the journey in real time. I'm showing you exactly what I'm doing, not after I become successful again. I'm showing it to you while I am building. See, a lot of people have already asked me, am I going to teach you how to build the system? The answer is yes. Right now, I'm building my AI school community. Inside, I'll go much deeper into what I'm doing, because I have other tools that I built. Like, I have a whole tool just for YouTube, like creating thumbnails and all that stuff. So everything can be done, like workflows and system, so I can automate the whole process. I went through a time of learning, and now I'm executing. But while I'm executing, I want to document the process and show you guys the automation, exactly the things that I'm using every single day. But I'm intentionally building this while I'm rebuilding my business, because I want everything inside to come from real experience, not just theory. Okay? So if you're someone who's trying to build a business or grow a personal brand using AI, you want to save time or maybe rebuild after a setback like I am, you're in the right place. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, because every week I'm going to show you exactly what I'm building, what I'm working on, what's making me money, what's failing, what's not failing, what's working, and I'm using AI to rebuild my business from scratch. If you would like to hear from me, definitely let me know in the comment. I would like to hear from you. Leave me a comment. Let me know where you are, if you're starting over today, what would be the very first thing that you would build if you want to build your business with AI? I read every comment. Many of them inspire me for future videos. So definitely leave a comment down below. If this video inspires you, if you see some ideas that you can take for yourself, definitely let me know in the comment. And let me know if you would like to see a video on a breakdown of a tool that I have for YouTube on how to create YouTube thumbnails, much faster thumbnails that are working and stuff like that, and titles and different things to help you elevate your YouTube game. All right, that was your boy Cater. I'll see you guys on the next video. See you guys later. Let's go. Pound that.